Hello friends, I am Nandini Navnath Alkunte. I am from Sri Siddheshwar Women's College of Engineering. My course name is Computer Science and Engineering. My subject is Engineering Physics. Today we are study about hysteresis curve. What is hysteresis curve or hysteresis curve? It is also known as BH curve and explained in the term retentivity and coercivity. Let us start. Hysteresis curve. The word hysteresis means lagging magnetic flux density. Lags after magnetizing magnetic field strength resulting in hysteresis. Magnetic flux density is defined as the force acting per unit current per unit length on a place that right angles to magnetic field. What is magnetic field strength? Magnetic field strength is measured of the intensity of a magnetic field in a given area of that field. Hysteresis is a property of all ferromagnetic materials is an important point. Hysteresis curve. This is a hysteresis curve. This is Bmax. At that point saturation point is there. This is minus Bmax. It is saturation in opposite direction. C point is coercivity. B point is retentivity. When a magnetic field strength is increased from 0, the magnetic flux density increases. To magnetic field strength increased, the value of magnetism rises until it reaches to point of which is known as saturation point, where flux density remains constant. With a drop in the value of magnetic field strength, there is a decrease in the value of flux density. However, when H is 0, the flux density will not be 0. Some magnetic flux remains in the material, which is known as retentivity. What is retentivity? The property of magnetic material to retain magnetism even in the absence of the magnetic field state is known as retentivity, or it is also known as remanence. When there is a reduction in magnetic field towards the negative side, retentivity, the property of magnetic material to retain magnetism even in the absence of the magnetic field state, is known as retentivity. Retentivity is also known as remanence. When there is a reduction in the magnetic field towards the negative side, magnetism likewise decreases. The material entirely demagnetized at point C called coercivity. What is coercivity? Coercivity is the magnetic field strength needed to demagnetize the material completely is known as its coercivity. Coercivity is denoted by letter C. The cycle is repeated in the opposite direction with the saturation point F, retentivity point E, and coercive force F. The cycle is complete due to forward and opposite direction process, and this cycle is known as hysteresis curve. Hysteresis curve is on x-axis magnetizing force is there and y-axis flux density is there. B point is denoted by retentivity and coercivity is denoted by C letter. E point is denoted by minus Br H is magnetizing force. The cycle is complete due to forward and opposite direction process, and this cycle is known as hysteresis curve. Thank you.